Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Let's learn about crocheting bowl. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And make 11 double crochets into this circle. 1, 2, and fix it. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochets into each stitch. 1 and 2. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochets and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 double crochets into this stitch and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Crochet a circle has already been taught. Continue until you reach the desired size. The number of stitches must be a multiple of 6. For crocheting ball wall, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook into the back loop, front loop and back loop. Insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, and make a double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch. I finished this row. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into both loops of stitch and make a double crochet. Continue until you reach the desired size. I crocheted the ball, chain 1 and cut the yarn off. Add your green yarn, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and make a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 2, make a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch and repeat. Add your new color with a slip knot. Add your new color into this space. Make a single crochet. Make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and the last time. Make a single crochet and repeat. Make a single crochet, make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a single crochet and repeat. I crochet 6 petals, skip 2 petals, remove the hook, insert your hook into this space and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and repeat. Make a single crochet, make 5 double crochets and make a single crochet. I crocheted my next 6 petals. Insert your hook into this space and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and repeat until the end of the row.
So I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have been sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Take care.